ಹೆಸರು ಅನುಪಮ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಫೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದಿನ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ದುಃಖದಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ದೆನ್ ಅವರು ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇಸ್ ಆ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಫೇಸ್ಗೆ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. I mean, starts with the basic pranayama. When we say, inhale happiness, inhale joy, inhale freedom and all that, it starts with that. I mean, whatever little depression you have the previous day or night that you experience, with that little bit of that pranayama, just the pranayama alone, can take you to a really nicer mode and a mood and elevates for the day ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಆ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ತಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಅಲೋನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ದ ಆತ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆತ್ಮಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ the relationship. I feel ಮುಂಚೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನೋ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಫೀಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಅಸ್, ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್. ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ. ಸೊ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಡುವೆ. And I think each day is a different experience when you sit to meditate and do it, and it's a big commitment actually. We need to commit ourselves anta ansute, but it's a very beautiful experience. It's a different dimension that was not heard of, not seen, and ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಆಗಿ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ she's talking something stupid ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. But only people who have experienced and such things can relate to it is what I feel. Hypnosis, hypnotherapy and all that is very nice actually. Nanik practice madak agilla ashte, but to see Madam do is amazing actually. Whenever I meet her, it's like she's an angel who is performing things another ansate. And to meet her itself, forget learning, just meeting her is like a celebration to me actually speaking. So it's very nice. The journey is just begun.
All the best, okay, for your future. Carry it forward. Rose, thank you.
Good evening everybody. So
Yes,
come to the last day of the course, and I can't believe it's already the last day. If then I start and then it's already connected ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, so I'm a little sad for that. But let's focus to the positive now. It was a great journey. The whole month, every weekend was wonderful. Just the feeling that this weekend I have a class made us happy, and I came here with the purpose of understanding PLR. That was my main interest, and it was amazing when I saw how it was done. I witnessed it, and it was great, and you can experience the mystery that is there in the universe, that's there in all around us. It's just that you have to be aware of it. You should be open to it. And in this 10 days, we've learned so many techniques, things that were not even part of all that you can see here. A lot more than what is given here is what we learned. And again, 10 years is not enough for it. There's lots to be learned.
ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and then you can excel in it. So right now the spark has come, so it's up to us to where we're going to take it ahead, what are we going to do with that. It's all in our hands now, and I'm so grateful that I got this opportunity, and I'm grateful for Janardhan Rao sir, Sarvamangala ma'am, Mallikarjun sir. I'm so grateful, and I have to give this feedback here for her. You were this amazing. You were so calm, and your energy level did not drop even a bit from morning till evening. Even if we have any doubt at the last moment, homework now whenever kedidru, you will stay and you will tell us, or you will tell we can do it the next time. You're there. The energy level is maintained completely, and you were so clear in whatever you were doing. You were so confident, and that is what will bring confidence in the people who are participating. And the life experiences that you were giving, that is more important, because we're not going to just believe anything that you tell. So once you give examples and experiences, that is when we'll get that trust. Yes, it does work. So it has worked for her, then it has to work for us. So the kind of trust was built, and that was really great, and your patience level is too good. And you did an amazing job, and hats off to you. And I wish you more and more success in whatever your ambitions are, your desires are. I wish everything to be fulfilled. And I want to thank everybody who participated in this course with me. It was amazing journey with you all. Archana, Sumitra, my sister, Prashant. It was great. There's a kind of bonding that has happened between us. You don't feel that you are outsider. The day we came, we got that kind of connection, and that was very nice, because we were able to talk to each other openly, and that was amazing, the bond, whatever we have built, and I hope to carry it further. And this is a beautiful course, and I think you have to experience this course, only then you'll understand the beauty of it. It's just amazing. Anybody can do this. It's not like you have to have some level of spiritual awareness to come here. Nothing. You can come with zero knowledge, and you can go out with a pretty good understanding of what life is, up to an extent at least. So it's really amazing. Thank you all once again, and also I want to thank my uncle Shankarappa. He was the one who introduced us to Janardhan Rao, and from there the journey has come till here, and I'm looking forward to much more experiences that I'm going to have, and I'm pretty sure I'll have wonderful experiences. I have already seen the change to how I was a month before and how I am now. I am a confident girl. I've always been a confident girl, but what change that I've seen is I've become more mindful, is what I would like to say. Whatever I do, I try to concentrate on that. Of course, it's not that easy. It keeps wandering away, but the awareness is there. Like, okay, I'm going somewhere else. I need to bring my mind back to now. So the meaning of the power is in the now. So that is all there is. You just have to learn that, and you can see miracles happen in your life. And you just have to follow that basic thing, and all this meditation, everything is focusing on that. So I'm just grateful, and I'm feeling so happy to be here and share my experience with you all. And thank you once again.
Hi, happy evening everyone.
Happy evening.
So it looks as if we are talking in a family ಎಲ್ಲ get together ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ತರ ಇದೆ. It doesn't seem formal, it doesn't seem complicated. It is so simple, like a river flowing downstream. The entire program was like that. ಇದು curriculum ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು we don't know what is what ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು we came with an open mind to understand everything. And this bud flower, we had absolutely no idea what it is. 1 month back, mind hegittu, ivattu, it has definitely expanded. And once it is expanded, it cannot go back. You only progress thereafter. So what I want to tell is the difference in me, what I am feeling is, I think this program was meant to be for me especially because many things surfaced for me. It was time for me to let go of all the things that surfaced, and this program definitely made me realize many things which were all stuck inside me in a very deeper level, which unknowingly surfaced. And the alignment was so beautiful. Somebody came and it was like they did a healing, and it was like it was meant to be. Everything was meant to be, and every soul that is here in this room, it was meant to be. Okay, there is no surprises, there is no something unknown here. It is all so clear. 1 month ago, ivaga difference. So, the negativity, I never thought I had negativity in me. Because I am a kind of person, though I have been through whatever I have been through in my life, I have always been confident, and I know I can do it. That is the only confidence which has brought me so far and to this class. But deep down, I had that negativity, I had no idea. It came as a shock to me. Maybe the spiritual level started growing, and that could not stay within me anymore. And it was time for me to let go of all those negativity, and which happened, a beautiful process which happened, and I'm really grateful and thankful to ma'am and Rajshri ma'am who came yesterday. And it is amazing. It's a life transforming program. You come with an open mind and you go with a bounty full of knowledge. It's up to you how you take it. It's up to you how you learn, practice and go further. And of course, there are no words to explain the energy level of ma'am and the cooperation that Mallikarjun sir gives to ma'am, and because of the support that she is getting from Mallikarjun sir, this is amazing coordination. Amazing coordination. It is hard to find such kind of coordination in husband and wife, and she stands an example for everything. My wish is to collect this kind of experience in my life, and when I go and take another class, I want to tell some examples like that. Only then you'll be confident. She is so confident today because she has so much of experience in her basket. She keeps throwing one experience after another, and we keep wondering when are we going to collect all those experiences. Because I'm from a training background, and I believe in giving examples. So when you stand in front of somebody, you really should have a real-time examples to prove it. You should have your experiences, and I'm really looking forward to have those experiences, collect them, and when I train, of course I am a trainer, and I definitely want to do this in future. So first I want to learn, I want to do it, I want to collect the experiences and help others to become healer. As we time and again we are bringing, there is a shortage of healers. Physicians gallige 4 jana irtare, but there are no healers, which is the actual method of releasing all your emotions and pain out of your body. And there has to be a healers and awareness that has to be brought into life. So I am definitely waiting to collect those experiences, and I become, stand and explain to everybody at least half of her confidence in me and examples. Okay, and thank you so much for all of you for being so cooperative and helping whenever we had any confusions, and ma'am for being there always for us, and sir giving us tips every now and then, and Janardhan sir energy level we can't match. We can't match Janardhan sir's energy level, and at least 30% of his energy probably we can reach some other place altogether. And I'm really grateful that the alignment, the cosmic alignment happened this way to change all our lives for good. And I'm really hoping, and I will definitely practice and will definitely get back to you if there is any doubts or anything. And have a wonderful life. All of you have a blissful life, and all of you hope you become a healers and help people. And this program is amazing. And it is not just you are learning something, you are healing within without your knowledge. It is not that there is a curriculum and you read and she trains. You are actually getting healed from within without your knowledge. So which is a very beautiful process. All the healings that we do, we are cleansing our entire body, aura, energy and all of it. It's amazing, and I mean, you can't even use the words to explain the kind of feelings that you get deep within. And it's definitely, you will have to learn all of it, at least for your own benefit, not for others. At least for your family and well-being, right? So thank you very much, and we can't express our gratitude in words though, but thank you deeply, all of you, and have a great and blessed life.
I have very less words to say actually. A lot of them have covered most of the things. So it's actually very difficult when you come up and sit last to share your feelings or emotions, because most of them would be stolen by some other souls sitting here. Okay, but still, when I first came into this class, and probably Janardhan was the one who introduced me, so I was actually very blank. My expectation was just only past life regression. That's what we had heard everywhere in the TV and all. I felt that something in detail about that is what I'm going to learn, study and analyze, experiment and do some research on that, and finally understand what is past life regression and how we do that and how we can do it to others and all. But slowly we started uncovering a lot of things. As we opened the magic box, one by one, a lot of these things started coming up, which was really surprising because my expectation was different and I got something more than that. Most of the time, spirituality is an experience for everyone. It is an experience for an individual by himself. It is different for different people. But most of the gurus whom I have seen, might be they are aware of all these things, but they would never share this. This is at the background what they actually do, is what I understood when I went through this entire class. But we all were lucky enough to understand the entire background, the technique and the science behind the spiritual healing. So that in that way, I'm really thankful for Sarvamangala Madam to actually bring this in this world as an open knowledge which can be shared with everyone, which personally I feel that no one else is sharing it out. And this is really needed at this point in time where the entire human race is moving towards investigating things, looking at examples, finding faults in everything. If they don't have the background of what they are actually realizing or feeling, they will not believe in it. So this gives a very good scope for everyone to learn this technique, actually take it as a profession and implement it. So that gives a very good scope for everyone. In that way, I feel we are all very lucky enough to go through this training. From a personal point of view, definitely there have been a lot of changes what I've seen in myself. When I came in, I usually had a mindset that from past 1 or 2 years, things are not going in a great speed as what I expect in my life. Usually I'm a very high-paced person and never would like to stop anywhere. So that was not happening in from past 2 years. I usually used to find out for myself why is it happening. But I never came to a conclusion actually for what reason. But when I started doing this class, I realized that okay, there are some emotions within me which are the main reasons which are actually creating hurdles and blocking my own progress. So definitely that got released. That is when I started looking at the changes as well within me. So there has been a great change, great progress in last 1 month within me. So I am evident for that. Probably not everyone would be able to see that because a lot of things at the background happen in my life which is not perviewed to all you people. So in that way, as I told, it's again an experience for everyone, great experience for me. First day I was blank, today I'm carrying a lot of things with me, a lot of knowledge. Definitely I would like to use this within my family and within my friends. And I would also love to help. I mean, definitely if anyone wants to be a healer, probably I might not reach at that extreme level of becoming an expert healer. Probably I would definitely love to help people who would come upfront to become a healer. Whatever best I can do, I would definitely support them. That's what is my cautious promise that I can do at this point in time for this. So thank you very much Sarvamangala ma'am for sharing this elite knowledge with us, and which is really unique. Very less people have got this opportunity to learn. we are one among them. That's really great. Thank you very much, Mallikarjun sir, and definitely thanks for Janardhan for, I don't know, it was only 3 interactions within which I came into this class. I did not speak much. I knew that I am getting this from this place. I knew that, okay, I never knew what is the background, but I knew that something good I am getting it from here. I was very clear about that. So thank you very much for that. I am very happy that I did not end up in the wrong place. I'm very happy for that. I'm just being honest, that's it. Because usually a lot of people will have confusion. Whenever you're going to any kind of a class or spiritual, especially spirituality, they believe in doctors a lot, but when it comes to a spiritual guru, they doubt a lot. What will this person do? Am I going to be hypnotized completely? I will not come out of the temple only. Like that kind of a feelings everyone will have. This is all myth actually. I think we all should be able to clarify that to people who have that kind of a concept. So that's my feeling actually, that's it. And very great thanks for all you 3, because the coordination that was done. I mean, I have actually shared this emotion in the past as well. As a project manager, I know how difficult it is to manage a project without any gap or flaw. But this 10-day event was actually organized and executed so easily with all the things, all the properties required for this entire training, effortlessly, be it Mallikarjun sir or Janardhan or madam, coordinating for them for that among themselves. We never had to spare our time for that at all. Everything was readily available to start with and to be executed. So thank you very much for that. And that's it. With that, I would like to thank each one of you who were a part of this journey for this 1 month of time. Every weekend we were able to see each other's faces. I would love to be in touch with everyone over here, because that is more important. When we learn anything, or when we when we learn or when we get certified with anything, it's easy at that particular point in time to go through that phase altogether. But when you go out of this world and be an alone person, it is difficult to execute that. So it becomes very important for each one of us to be in touch, so that still as a group we can work on these things. Probably someone might be very strong, someone might be very weak, but probably when we all are in touch, so our energy would be balanced and we can still reach that goal easily. Wherever someone is weak, probably a strong person can help, and wherever probably the strong people are strong, we can take their help and see how we can progress in our life. So that is my always been my expectation. If I don't have anything, I'll try to find it with someone else. If I have something, I'll give it to others. That's it. So with that, I thank every one of you for being part of this journey, and thank you very much. It has been a great start of New Year is what I feel. It's been a new innings for everyone. So let's play this innings very joyfully and very enthusiastically, loving ourselves and not keeping any kind of emotions or negative things in us, and being very positive throughout our life from here. Thank you very much.